What's up guys, welcome back to Progress Steps. In this video we're going to discuss about application.properties file. First I have given the project name, application name, and data source URL. This is a MySQL. I am using MySQL database, so I have used URL as ADBC, MySQL, localhost, port, then the database name. After that, database password, username, root, password, root, then the driver, MySQL driver, spring.jpa.show-sql equal true. You can see the queries with that property. Then spring.jpa.hibernate.ddl-auto to update. So use this property file for your project. We will discuss further details in next lessons. So that's all for this lesson. I'll update. I push this file to the GitHub. You can download it from that and get the property file from that. So that's all for this lesson. See you in the next lesson.